Good morning students. Today we will start chapter number 11, exercise number 1. Read heading, what part of the day is it? See, first one. The sun rises in the morning. The sun rises in the morning. morning, morning. Second, the sun is very hot at noon. The sun is very hot at noon time. Right here noon. N-O-O-N, noon. Then see, the sun sets in the evening. When sun sets in the evening time. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Last, moon and stars are seen at night. N-I-G-S-T, night. Second part, match the pictures to the correct time of the day. Here given pictures. See first one picture, studying in the class. Studying in the class. When we studying in the class? We studying in the class in noon time. Match with noon. Then B, having breakfast. We do breakfast at morning time. So match with morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Then C, having dinner. We do dinner at night. Match with night. N-I-G-S-T, night. Then playing. When we play evening time. Match with evening. E-V-E-N-I-G, evening. Next, exercise number 2. Read heading, what time is it? See बच्चे, here given a clock. There are two hands, short hand and big hand. When short hand at 4 o'clock, when short hand at 4 and big hand at 12, it's 4 o'clock. Right here 4 o'clock. Like this also we write the time, okay? Then second, see short hand where? Short hand at 7 and big hand at 12, it's 7 o'clock. Third, see बच्चे, short hand at 11 and big hand at 12. So it's time now 11 o'clock. Like this also write, okay? Then second, read the time and draw the hands on the clock. Here given a clock, read बच्चे time 8 o'clock. Now we draw here, draw the hands, okay? Short hand at 8 and big hand at 12, it's 8 o'clock. Like this you draw the clock. B and C, like this you draw, okay? Now exercise 3, fill in the missing letter to the name of the days of the week. How many days in week? There are 7 days in a week, okay? And first day is a Monday and last day is Sunday. Now see, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Right here, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Then B, Monday after Tuesday. Right here, Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Tuesday after Wednesday. How write? W-E-D, wed. N-E-S, nes. D-A-Y, day. Wednesday. Wednesday after Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Thursday after Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Friday after Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Then last is Sunday. How write Sunday? S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Second part, what day is it? The first day of the week. First day of the week is Monday. Right here, Monday. How write Monday? M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. The second day of the week. Second day of the week is Tuesday. Right here, Tuesday. The fourth day of the week. Third day is Wednesday. Wednesday after Thursday. Here write you Thursday. Fourth day is the Thursday. The fifth day of the week. Fifth day is Friday. Right here, Friday. The sixth day of the week. Sixth day of the week is Saturday. Right here, Saturday. 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 Clear? Now third, complete the table with the names or days of the week. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. See बच्चे, today is Wednesday. Wednesday before which day comes? Here write you Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday. And Tuesday after tomorrow. Tuesday after Wednesday. Wednesday after Thursday. Right here, Thursday. 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 Then Monday. Monday before, here comes Sunday. Right here, Sunday. 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 Sunday after Monday. Then Monday after Tuesday. Here write Tuesday. 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 Then Thursday. Thursday before Wednesday. Here write Wednesday. How write Wednesday? WED. NES. DAY. Day. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday after Friday. Right here, Friday. 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 Clear? How solve this one? Then last 4 left. This one you do by self. Thanks.